Tiptoe through the crocus and the daffodils, spring has sprung. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Pleasure Dome. This is our little local roundabout just up the end from our street, where last autumn you might have seen me planting these little crocus bulbs, which just a few months later are doing their thing. And I'm really pleased. I think on that video I think I had a inspirational moment and decided to call it like planting a smile, and it kind of is, in this kind of sweeping curve of early spring flowers. We're here at the end of February, and this little roundabout is starting to take shape. So we've got snowdrops over there that were in flower in January, and then the crocus are doing their thing, and then we've got these kind of miniature or short-stemmed daffodils, tete-a-tete, coming up, and then we've got somewhere in here we've got some of the double tete-a-tete, and then we've got ordinary daffodils, and then over at the back we've got alliums coming up. So that gets us to kind of May, June, and then in the middle, where that bit of soil is and a couple of stones that I do need to get rid of, last year we grew cosmos, which looked lovely. So it's become a real little kind of feature, little focal point on our little housing development. And those cordyline palm trees in the middle there, they were just tiny little seedlings, only that big, tiny, only about 3 tiny little leaves less than 2 years ago. So they're obviously very happy where they are. So there we go, a little bit of an update from our roundabout just up the road, lapping up a bit of spring sunshine. What's not to like? So we want to give these little bulbs a spring boost. So I'm just putting some of this slow release fertilizer on here. Actually it's a blend. It's got slow release and it's got instant boost nutrients in there as well. So for the next 3 months or so, while these crocus are still active, we can give them a bit of a boost to get them coming back even stronger next year. So if you want to feed your bulbs, this is the time to do it, when they're in leaf. Don't leave it too late in the season, because once they've died back in the summer, they're not going to absorb the nutrients. So we'll just scatter them on the surface, and then the rain will wash them down. Just get them away from the bulbs there. There you go. There's your tea. Lovely. And because I'm going to put this video out on St David's Day, I thought I'd show you 2 new varieties that we've grown this year. One is called Spring Dawn, which was in flower late January, early February, with 2 tones of kind of almost like a primrose yellow and a darker yellow. Lovely. Still in flower now. And the other one is called Arctic something, and I'll put the words on the screen now. There we are. Gorgeous little thing. Most unusual flowers, got a light perfume to it, so enjoy those. And if you've got a bit of rough ground near your house and you're thinking that could look better, why not plant up some bulbs in that bit of ground? It could look as good as this.